Over the years, I experimented with food and nutrition to unlock better health and improve the overall quality of life. One key discovery that has stood out to me is the critical role sleep plays, not just in health and vitality, but also in happiness and success. Think about it. We often prioritize what we do during the day, working, exercising, checking off tasks, but the foundation of all of that, it is sleep. Not just the hours you spend in the bed, but the quality of that sleep. Through the years of experimenting with different foods, I stumbled upon two surprising sleep boosters, kiwi and grapefruit. When eaten together an hour or two before bed, they work like a charm to help relax the body and mind, making it easier to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Let's break it down. Kiwi is packed with serotonin and vitamin C, both of which are known to support better sleep quality and duration. Grapefruit, on the other hand, brings antioxidants and vitamin C to the table with a tartness that some find soothing before bedtime. I didn't keep this discovery to myself. I tested it with others, different ages and body types, and the results were consistent. Most people experience noticeable improvements in their sleep quality, waking up more refreshed and energized. My other great discovery to fall asleep faster is drinking kefir and eating cashews. Here's the thing. To be truly successful, you need energy. And where does energy come from? Proper rest and recovery. Sleep and nutrition go hand in hand, directly influencing your productivity, well-being, and even your happiness. Let's be honest, sleep deprivation is a common struggle and it takes a serious toll on every part of your life. Success isn't just about grinding harder. It is about sleeping better and having a well-functioning body, including proper digestion. These two are deeply connected more than most people realize. Of course, it's not just about kiwi and grapefruit. Other factors like comfortable bed, good nutrition, a dark and quiet environment, all of these matter. But these fruits are a simple natural hack you can try today. Here's your challenge. For the next few nights, eat a kiwi and grapefruit about an hour before bed. See how it impacts your sleep. You might find yourself waking up sharper, more refreshed, and feeling genuinely recharged. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Sometimes small changes like this can lead to big results. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.